Hello everyone, here we're going to read A Day at the Farm by Séverine Cordier and Cynthia Lacroix. Hope I pronounced that correctly. Jacket, we have boots, see, more jackets. Let's go! Are we there yet? Ladybug, dandelions, daisies, there's a bird, a mouse, some wheat, oats, and a butterfly. Welcome to the farm. A hen house, see the hen house? A rabbit's hutch, a duck pond, a shed, beehives. Yeah, a pig pen, a barn. We have an orchard. You can see apples, and a field with a tractor. Feeding the ducks. Ducklings in a drink. Dragonfly, a toad, a tadpole. We have some water lilies here, and some fish. Playing with the chickens, a hen and a rooster. You see, this is a hen and this is a rooster. And the rooster is a name for a boy chicken. And a hen is a girl chicken. And these are baby chicks. And look at all these vegetables and herbs. Radishes and zucchinis. We have even pumpkin and carrots. Lettuce, we have leeks, potatoes, and all these different types of herbs. And here are some gardening tools. These look yummy. Fresh tomatoes. A rabbit hutch. So soft. A barn with some manure. Milking the cow. Picking fruit. Fresh apples. Here's some more fruit. Apple, pear, apricots, cherries, figs, oranges, hazelnuts, a peach, plums, jams, pie, and juices. And here is a donkey. And here's a pony. Look, I'm a cowboy. Having a picnic. Peekaboo. Here's some hay. Oh, here are the beehives. Better be careful. Candy and honey and bread. Ah, a boar, a pig pen, a sow, and piglets. A sow is a female pig. Kidding around. Here's the shed with some sheep. And here's a lamb. Are you looking for your mom? There's the tractor. I'm driving. Here's a plow. And look, a combine. A bale of straw and a pitchfork and a rake. Sunflower, some corn, canola, wheat and oats, and a scarecrow. So now you know a lot of things that are on the farm. All kinds of vegetables, and fruit, and animals. So, till next time, see you next time.